Hello guys, my name is Susna from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today's topic is application of linear algebra. Before starting topic, please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Shall we start? What is linear algebra? Linear algebra is branch of mathematics that study vector, matrix, linear transformation and vector space. It is a fundamental concept in many areas of mathematics including calculus, probability and differential geometry. Linear algebra is also used in many other fields such as physics, engineering, computer science and economics. Here are some of the key concepts in linear algebra. Vectors. Vectors are mathematical objects that have both a magnitude and a direction. They are represented by arrows in space. Matrix. Matrix are rectangular arrays of numbers. They can be used to represent linear transformation. Linear transformation. Linear transformation or mapping between vector space that preserve the linear structure of this space. They are represented by matrix. Vector space. Vector space are set of vectors that satisfy certain. They are the basic objects of study in linear algebra. Application of linear algebra. Because it is applicable to almost every subfield of mathematics, linear algebra has a place of importance in almost all of these scientific fields that make use of mathematics. These software programs can be organized into a few different board categories. First one, the geometry of the surrounding space. The use of geometry as the foundation for modeling ambient space. The use of geometry is widespread in this scientific discipline concerned with this space. This is the case with mechanics and robotics in order to describe the dynamics of the rigid body, geodesy in order to describe the shape of the earth, perceptive, computer vision and computer graphics in order to describe the relationship between a scene and its plane representation, and many other scientific fields. In all of these applications, synthetic geometry is frequently utilized for providing general description and a qualitative approach. However, the computation of coordinates is required in order to conduct research on explicit scenario. Quite a bit of linear algebra is going to be needed for this. Analysis of functionality. The study of function space is also called functional analysis. These are vector space that also have some additional structure like Hilbert space. Therefore, linear algebra is an essential component of functional analysis as well as the application of functional analysis, which particularly include quantum mechanics, wave function. Research into more complicated systems, partial differential equations are used to model the vast majority of physical phenomena. In order to solve them, one must typically decompose the space in which the solutions are researched into numerous small cells that are in constant communication with one another. This interaction requires linear function with dealing with linear system with dealing with non-linear system. It is common practice to model this interaction using linear function. In both instances, the matrix involved are typically of a very large size. In the case of weather forecasting, a typical example, the atmosphere of an entire planet is divided into cells with dimension of say 100 kilometers in width and 100 kilometers in height. Scientific computation. Almost all of the computations that are done in science involve linear algebra. As a direct result of this, linear algebra algorithms have been fine-tuned to an extremely high degree. The most well-known implementations are known as BLAS and LAMPAC. Some of them automatically configure the algorithm while the program is running in order to improve the system overall efficiency by tailoring the algorithm to the characteristics of the computer. Some processors, most commonly graphic processing units, are built with a matrix structure for the process of improving the performance of linear algebraic operations. Cryptography. It is the study of both decoding and encoding. which are used to communicate secret information. Strong encryption method are able to be implemented with the use of electronic commerce and communication. In order to decode and encode the message using these methods, modular arithmetic is required. The more straightforward encoding strategy can be implemented with the help of the matrix transformation idea. The theory of games, another one of the application of linear algebra, which is a mathematical study that counts the various possibilities. This one uses it to count the number of different choices. During the course of games, the player decide how to proceed with these various options. According to finding of psychologists, the social interaction theory is applied when analyzing the player's option in relation to those of the other competitors in the game. Game theory may be best known for its application to card game, board game, and other forms of competitive play. However, it is also applicable to the tactics employed by military in conflict. For the purpose of encoding and manipulating signals such as audio, video signals, linear algebra is utilized during the process of signals. In addition to that, it is necessary for the analysis of signals of this kind. Linear programming is a method of optimization that can be utilized to ascertain the linear function that will be yield the most desirable result. Data scientists in the field of computer science employ a number of linear algebra algorithms in order to solve difficult problems. Algorithm for prediction. Prediction algorithms make use of linear models that are developed through the application of linear algebra fundamental ideas. Conclusion: the study of planes and lines, mapping, and vector space, all of which are required for linear transformation, is essential what linear algebra is all about. As a result, it is essential to have an understanding of various applications of linear algebra. Although linear algebra is considered to be a subfield of mathematics, the more accurate description of its purpose is the mathematics of data. The language of data is represented by matrices and vectors. The combination in a linear fashion are the focus of linear algebra. In other words, performing arithmetic operation on column of numbers, which are referred to as vector, and arrays of numbers, which are referred to as a matrix, in order to produce new column of numbers and new arrays of numbers.